The first production car was handed over today to none other than founder Gianpaolo Dallara on the occasion of his 81st birthday, exactly a year after the prototype's reveal. The Stradale, Italian for street, starts off as a speedster without doors, but can be easily transformed into a roadster by installing the windshield. By adding a T-frame, the Stradale can be easily converted into a Targa, while mounting two doors that have a seagull wing opening will effectively turn the car into a coupe. In addition, Dallara will give buyers the opportunity to get the Stradale with a rear wing, providing an impressive amount of downforce to make the lightweight sports car the ultimate track machine. At the heart of the Stradale is a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine developing 400 horsepower at 6,200 revolutions per minute and 369 pound-feet, 500 Newton-meters, of torque from 3,000 revolutions per minute. Output is channeled to the rear wheels via a standard 6-speed manual transmission or an optional robotized gearbox with paddle shifters promising to deliver quicker gear changes. And now for probably the most impressive number, the Dallara Stradale has a dry weight of only 855 kilograms, 1,885 pounds, in its standard configuration thanks to an extensive use of carbon fiber and composite materials. The body panels have all been made from carbon fiber, which has also been used for the monocoque. As far as performances are concerned, it will be able to cover the 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, sprint in 3.25 seconds before reaching a maximum speed of 174 miles per hour, 280 kilometers per hour. In fifth gear, it will need 3.49 seconds to get from 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, and 8.5 seconds from 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour. With the optional rear wing installed, the car will generate more than 820 kilograms of downforce at top speed as a result of optimizations made in the wind tunnel. According to Autocar, the engine is from Ford's EcoBoost family and Dallara will limit production of the Stradale to 600 units set to be assembled over the next 5 years. The base model will cost €155,000, about $182,300, before local taxes, with options including the windscreen, with carbon fiber frame, at €16,600, $19,500. Targa roof at €7,700, $9,050, and the doors at €7,300, $8,600.
Get off the wall, everybody jam. Get off the wall, you run it,